Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Monica and this is Moni's Cozy Home. In today's video, we're going to continue on with my daughter's room makeover. This will be part 2. I feel like we got a lot of things done and completed, and now we can actually work on the fun parts, which is the decorating, the DIYs. I'm super excited for this stage now. Especially after completing the closet, I felt like the closet was the one that was dreading, but it got done. There's still a laundry basket that's left. It's all clean clothes. I'm actually gonna have them put it away and get it all settled into their new layout. I did consider color coding their clothes and just separating it out, but I know that kind of doesn't work out for them that much, so I'm just gonna let them kind of arrange their clothes in the way they like. My main focus was to start kind of getting the room back in order. As you guys saw in the beginning, my little daughter actually did her bed. She wanted to help me out with that part, and it's super cute the way she organized it. I always have a throw blanket. I thought it was very interesting and funny that she would do her bed that way and put the little throw blanket at the end. It's so cute for me. After getting all that done, we did move over to the desk. I'm just going to be taking everything, putting it in a basket till we're ready to actually start decorating and just placing things back on the desk. So, and then after, I'm just going to be cleaning the desk, the wall, and the TV. I also went to Walmart to buy some stuff that I thought would be very useful for the room, and I found this desk lamp for only $8. It was very affordable. It was very cute, and it's LED light. So after getting this area clean, this is how it's looking. And cleaning the TV, I'm like, oh, I'm just gonna watch my show while I clean and everything. So I did put The Big Bang Theory. Let me know in the comments down below if you guys have seen this series and if you guys enjoy it. This is my, I don't know, I lost count, my 10th or 11th time watching it, but I really enjoy watching this show. did buy this cube storage on Amazon. I believe when I got it, it was on sale for $14. I think it was a very good deal. Like $14 for 9 cubes was really, really good deal. Getting it all together, I did do the 9 cubes, and I do have the IKEA rust dressers, 2 of them inside the closet to help with their clothes. Then to move on to the fun part of the closet. I did decide to take out one of those dressers and just put that on the side. I am going to be updating that. I'll probably include that in part 3, or I will do that in a separate video. So I did leave the other dresser in the closet just for them to put all their socks and all the other stuff, their pajamas. She likes to put her shoes in the boxes they came in, so I decided to just continue with that, and her shoes in the boxes, and just put this under her bed, and it looks very organized. I like how it came out. I did decide not to start decorating since I'm going to be moving this area a lot, especially once I do the accent wall. So stay tuned for that. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and if you're new to my channel, welcome. I invite you to hit the subscribe button down below to join my little YouTube family, and if you're a returning viewer, welcome back, friend. Thank you guys for watching.